Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by making sure everything's ready. Update the two iPhones and the watch, sign into iCloud on the old phone, and enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Once done, keep the old iPhone physically near the watch. You'll use it to create the only reliable backup. Start unpairing on the old iPhone's watch app. Do not erase the watch manually. Unpairing triggers an automatic encrypted backup of the watch to the old iPhone's iCloud backup, which preserves activity and settings. Once you tap Unpair Apple Watch in the Watch app, confirm any prompts and choose whether to retain the cellular plan if you have a cellular model. This unpair action erases the watch, but first makes an encrypted backup to iCloud tied to your old iPhone and Apple ID. Make sure the old phone stays unlocked and on Wi-Fi until the backup finishes. Interruptions can corrupt data. After the backup completes and the watch is erased, you're ready to move on to pairing with the new iPhone. Place the erased watch next to the new iPhone, open the Watch app, and choose to pair. When prompted, select Restore from Backup and pick the most recent encrypted backup created during unpairing. Follow on-screen steps to re-enable features like Apple Pay and Cellular. You may need to re-enter passwords. Once restored, the watch will finish syncing health, apps, and settings. If things go wrong, restart both devices. Ensure iCloud sign-in and network connectivity, then retry pairing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.